auto-related news now. In a walk-around review of the all-new Tata Curvv Coupe car, we will explore the car's design, features, specifications and the variant options.
What will make a mark in this new era in SUV design? Will this car manage to? This is the detailed breakdown that we're going to give you. Everything that you need to know about this new car on the road. This is, of course, the Overdrive verdict. Take a look.
I'm Gandhi Zama, you're watching Overdrive, and we are at Tata Motors Design and Tech Center in Coventry, UK. And in this video, we are going to follow the design process of any car. And right now, the example or car in this case is Curvv, which is upcoming coupe SUV from Tata Motors. And as far as designing of any car is concerned, we know it starts with sketches which are done by hand, and then it goes on computer. And most of us have seen that process, but this trip and this tour is actually special because we are going to see the details of any design process after that drawing board process is done. For example, the CAD or the final project which is done by the designers, it is sent to this milling machine which is automatic, and they just feed the design and it designs or makes this clay model, scaled down version of Curvv in this case. And if the designers are happy with the proportions, if they think that this is looking okay and all the design elements are coming together nicely, then they take it to the next level. This is basically the combination or cooperation between humans and the tech part, because these dots are used to scan the body, the surface, are they even or not. And then there's a scanner here. You can see this scanner which has this blue light, and you can look at those two dots. So this scanner basically sends back the signal, scans the car, and sends the information about the surface to the CAD again, and then it is used to optimize the surface again. The third version is there. This one is the aero model, which is put in the wind tunnel for testing the aerodynamics of the car, and these tapes are basically removed at that time, but right now for showcasing purpose, these tapes are put in. Since this process is already done for Curvv, so I guess just for us, this display was used here. And next level is the SRM. This is, in our language, maybe the master copy of the product, because this is the reference point for manufacturing of dies. The size of the panel, the finish, the gaps, each and every detail is basically based on this final model, which is called the SRM, and the parts and dies are manufactured based on that. So, thing is that these two displays, one is this and one on my left, these two displays are very unique and special displays because Tata Motors has brought us to showcase their design journey. And this, you might not believe, but this is a clay model. Look at the finish, look at the paint seam, look at the elements, everything is so fine and precise, just like a proper production ready car. And this is a clay model, and only giveaway I would say is the opaque glasses. Otherwise, you get to know that this is clay model only when you actually knock on this. This doesn't feel like metal, so this is made up of clay. And this one, the display, is the EV version. And the two main difference between EV and ICE, one is obviously you can see the aerodynamically designed these wheel caps or wheel designs or alloy design, which you see in EVs mostly, and then the front, again resembling the typical Tata family cars. Front has I know that there is no front grille, but you have a charging port. Even the bumper is different in this car. And this one is the AMC model, which is basically a composite material made up of maybe hardened foam or something, and this is designed from inside. Now you can see the basic structure of the interiors. Still, you can't open this, so they start building it from inside. Then they put the exterior or outer parts. But as you know, the unique or the USP of this Curvv is the sloping roof, because it's a coupe style compact SUV, which is coming in the Creta Seltos segment. We are going to see the launch of these two cars in EV and ICE version on the 7th of August.